In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide product images in WooCommerce. Maybe you want a cleaner product layout, or you're selling something where images aren't really necessary. Whatever the reason, I'll walk you through a simple way to hide product images using the built-in tools in WordPress without needing to touch your theme files directly. First, log into your WordPress admin dashboard. This is the main backend area where you manage your site. Once you're in, look over to the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. Find the section labeled Appearance. Hover your mouse over Appearance, and from the options that pop out, click on Editor. This will open the site editor, where you can control how your theme looks and behaves. Give the editor a moment to load. When it's fully loaded, look again to the left-hand panel inside the editor. You'll see an option labeled Styles. Go ahead and click on Styles. As soon as you do, a new sidebar will slide in from the left. This sidebar is used to control global styling options for your theme. Now, look at the top right corner of this new Styles sidebar. You'll see a small More Options icon, usually shown as 3 vertical dots. Click on that icon. A drop-down menu will appear. From that drop-down, select Additional CSS. When you click it, a field or text box will appear where you can enter custom CSS code. In that field, paste the CSS code that hides the WooCommerce product images. I've already prepared this code for you, and it's linked or shown in the editor. You can pause the video at this point to carefully copy and paste the exact same code. Make sure there are no extra spaces or missing characters, because even a small typo can prevent the CSS from working correctly. After you've pasted the code, look again to the very leftmost side panel of the editor. At the bottom, you'll see a button that says something like Review Change. This indicates that there's a pending change to your site's styles. Click that button. A pop-up window will open, summarizing what you're about to save. Take a quick moment to confirm everything looks right, and when you're ready, click the Save button in the bottom right corner of that pop-up. Once it's saved, your WooCommerce product images should now be hidden on the front end of your site.